Check out this Dodge 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, HD radio, integrated center stack radio, media hub, 2 USB-O, radio data system and radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.